friends, I am Dr. Ashwin Dobariya welcomes you to Programming in C practical video series. In this video we will discuss a left aligned triangle of a number, and the number is like that 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5 like this. So this is the left aligned triangle we want to display on the screen using C programming. I will also explain how we can make this program in general. General means instead of displaying a 5 lines, if you want to display the lines as per the user choice. Suppose if user enter 10, then it should be display the triangle of 10 lines. So let's start how we can think about the logic of these programs. As per our practice, whenever we are writing a left aligned triangle, then we have to think about the 2 for loop. One is the outer for loop. Outer for loop means how many lines we want to print. According to that we have to think. So here we want, in this triangle we want to print 5 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So outer counter variable will start from 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. And the second means inner loop, generally responsible to display the output. So now we have to think about that, how we can set the inner loop counter variables. So here in first line we want to display only 1. In second line we want to display the 2 but 2 times. In third line we want to display 3 but 3 times. In fourth line we want to display 4 times. So similarly like a 5. So it means inner loop in first line it should execute only 1 time. So we can start j is equal to 1 and end with 1. Similarly second line it will start from 1, counting will start from 1 and end with 2, and similarly 3, 4 and 5. So if you analyze these things, then here actually 1 means this is the line number. So here we want to repeat first line 1 time. Line number 2 we want to repeat 2 times. Line number 3 we want to repeat 3 times. So actually our print value is I, and how many times we want to print, that we will set the j. So how we can set the j? J is equal to 1 and j less than or equal to line number, because in first line we want to execute only 1 time, second line we want to execute 2 times, so j will start from 1 up to 2 similarly. So in that way you can set. Once you know that how to set the counter variables of outer loop and the inner loop, then it is very easy to write this kind of program. Then in printf, very simple, which value we want to display? Of j value. So now see, j start from 1 and then up to 1 in line, and in second line it start from 1 and 2, but here we want to display 2. So 2 means it's a line number, and line number we can get from the I. So in printf we will just display the %d I value, right? So I means the line number will repeat this number of times. So this is the logic of this program. Let's know how we can execute this program step by step. So when we run this program, then the cursor will bring at the top left corner. Then first time I become 1, condition becomes true. Then j will start from 1, and first time j is equal to 1 less than 1, so this condition becomes true, and it will display the value of I means 1. Then cursor move to the next position. Now j increment by 1, so j becomes 2, but this time this condition become false. So here again the slash n, because we want to move the cursor to the next line. After that j increment by 1, it becomes 2. Now inner loop start from 1 and it will execute 2 times. So first time j is 1 and display the value of I. Now this time value of I is 2, so 2 is display over here, then cursor move to the next. Then again j is increment by 1, j becomes 2, condition becomes true, again it will print the value of I, it means 2, cursor move to the next. Again j becomes 3, so now this time condition become false. Then what happened? After this it will execute slash n, so cursor will move to the next position, next line. Then after I will be increment by 1, so I becomes 3. Now 3 less than 5 condition becomes true, again j start from the 1 and execute up to 3 times. So this loop will execute 3 times and display the value of I means 3. So first time j is 1, then display the value of I 3, then j becomes 2, again it display the value of I, again j becomes 3, again it display 3. Now j become 4, then this condition become false. Then again the cursor control move to the next line, cursor move to the next line. Again I become 4, then again 4 less than 5 condition becomes true. Then inner loop j start from 1, it printed the value of I now 4. Then again j increment by 2, it display the value of I, j, again j increment by 1, 3, again condition becomes true, display the value of 4, again j become 4, increment by 1, again condition becomes true, display the 4. Now j becomes 5, then this condition become false, then control will move to the outside the for loop, and slash n means this cursor move to the next line. Again I becomes 5, similarly j start from 1 and it execute 5 times and it display the 5 times 5 value over here. So this is the step-by-step execution of this program. Let's see in the turbo C how we can write this program. So first we'll include 2 header files, then in main function here we require only 2 counter variable, one for outer, another is for inner, and outer variable will start from I is equal to 1. Suppose we want to display only 5 lines, then we can say here less than 5, I plus plus. Inner loop j start from 1, but the end of the j is depend on the I, and j plus plus, then it display the value of I. Then after this loop, to move the cursor to the next line, it says slash n. If I execute this program, the output is 1 2 2 3 3 3. Suppose if I want to make this program in general, it means user choice, then I have to take one value over here like a n, and I will ask the user input total number of lines, right? So enter value of lines, how many lines you want to display, scanf, then %d ampersand n. Now what we have to do here, instead of 5 we will set the value of user choice n. So now this program becomes the user choice. Suppose if I want to display 15 lines, then if you enter, then see it display the triangle like this. So similarly friends, I hope you understood the logic of this, and this source code link I have given in the this program video description part. You can download this program source code and execute in your laptop or a desktop. I hope friends you enjoy this video and understand the concept of how we can draw this triangle program. And in this video description part, I have also given the link of other C programming theory and practical videos for your reference. So please friends, share this video with your friends, like this video, and in the next video we will discuss again a number triangle but in a different format like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So if you have any suggestion, please, or feedback, please mention in the comment part of this video. Again we'll meet there in the next video. Thank you very much.